The breasts are one of the most important outer features of a woman. You may feel unhappy about the shape and size of your breasts. A breast augmentation can make you feel more self-assured about your body. The actual procedure lasts about 1 hour. The implant is inserted via an incision approximately 5 cm long in the breast crease under the breast, the blue dotted line. Once they have healed, scars here are barely visible. Together with a plastic surgeon, you can try the implants on to decide the best cup size for you. Teardrop breasts implants are a good solution for women with thin skin and little breast tissue. Round implants give the upper part of the breast more fill than teardrop implants. This is often referred to as the push-up effect. A round implant can provide a very natural result in women with thicker skin. Based on the plastic surgeon's advice, the breast implant can be placed above or under the pectoral muscle. This depends on your physical proportions, the condition of your skin, and the amount of glandular tissue you have. Placing the breast implant above the pectoral muscle is a less painful procedure than placing it under the pectoral muscle. The breasts are now larger, firmer, and have a natural appearance.